Tired of fumbling for your credit card every time you shop online? Well, Apple Pay offers a super easy and secure way to buy things online, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, find something you'd like to purchase from your favorite participating online store, and add it to your shopping cart. Once you're ready to check out, navigate to your shopping cart and click the Proceed to Checkout button. Now, on the checkout page, look for the Apple Pay button. It usually has the Apple Pay logo and may say Buy with Apple Pay or something similar. It's often right alongside other payment options. Go ahead and tap that Apple Pay button. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Use whichever method you have enabled on your device to verify you making the purchase. And that's it. Once authenticated, your payment information is securely sent, and your purchase is complete. You should see a confirmation screen indicating your order has been placed. See how easy and secure it is to shop online with Apple Pay. Now you can enjoy faster checkouts and a more convenient shopping experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.